What's up, all you blue oval lovers? Get ready for this. This is a 1964 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Wow. Look at this Restomod. Wait for it, man. You've never seen anything like this. Look at that. Look at that dashboard. Wow. Look at that black with purple stripe. You can barely see the purple, but on camera you can see it. Look at this monster motor. Wow. It's a 5-liter, but I don't know. That's the biggest 5-liter I ever seen. Wow. Look at that hood. Now this is what they call a classic Restomod right here. Man, drop dead gorgeous. Let me just taste it. Look at these wheels. Wow, look at that. Power top, custom interior. Look at that dashboard. You want to see some more cool classic rides like this, click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.